Hi friends, I want to show you my new whitening strips for my teeth. Let me show you. You get 28 strips, 14 treatments, okay? They come in this individual package. You open them and you get 2 strips in each treatment. A longer rectangle one, that's for your upper teeth, and this smaller one for your lower teeth, okay? So you have to put it on and wait for 30 minutes. Let's try it. Hi friends, I don't know if you see, but I have the whitening strips here in my teeth and half hour has passed. So I'm going to get them out and see the results, okay? Okay. Perfect, perfect. You get the feeling of having some kind of toothpaste, but I really see this whitening effect. Perfect. Thank you.